Good morning, YouTubers. It's Brenda Knoll, and this is my latest completed sketchbook. And this is Monday, August 3rd to Sunday, August 23rd, 2020. Okay, so on the cover, I've got just a little sample of the Derwent Inktense, which I have since learned how to use and utilize much better. And I love the Derwent Inktense. If you haven't heard of them, then, well, let me introduce you. So I got the 12 color set, and they're awesome. So the first time I tried watercolor pencils, they're all out of here, sorry. So there's the lid. But the first time I tried watercolor pencils, these are what the Inktense Derwents look like. I've got them in a jar over here with my second favorite, which is the Caran d'Ache Museum Aquarels. So the first time I tried watercolor pencils, I tried these Faber-Castell Gold Faubers that I picked up. I picked up 3 primary colors at Hobby Lobby in Spokane, and they were $1.49 each, and I was glad that I didn't buy a set because they were just shit. They're shit. But these Derwent, they are the shit. They're the good stuff right here. So that's what I did the cover with. And I was just trying it out right then, so I didn't really know as much about them as I do now, and I love them when you get the full set. I think on Amazon you can get the whole set of them for $106 right now. Okay, so the second day I did with the Neo colors, the Caran d'Ache Neo colors, and I did that review and I posted that here on YouTube. And I gotta tell you, I love the Caran d'Ache Neo Color 2s even more than I did when I did this video, because I learned so much from doing that video. Like shaving it and putting it in a palette and painting from that, and they are so vibrant. I'll show you that when I come to that page in this sketchbook. And then these are the Albrecht Dürers. I got the Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürers as well, the 36 cent. Yes, I had a haul. I went on a haul. I got this 36 cent for $63 on Amazon, and then I've got this Caran d'Ache, the 12 Museum Aquarels, for like 40 bucks, I think. Yeah, they're the most expensive, but they're the number one. Afton and I did a comparison video, but for some reason I accidentally deleted it, so we're going to do another one, and you can see our first to last on that. But those are them, the Albrecht Dürers. So here I was out on the boat, and I thought I would just try doing an urban sketching kind of thing with the watercolor pencils and then my water brush. But in general, I'm not as great at painting exactly what I see, because you know, it takes a lot of time to do realistic type of painting. I'm better with abstract because it fits my personality, which is cram things in as much as you can, as fast as you can, because life is short. So here I did a little swatch chart of my Inktense and was playing around with the Inktense, and I did do these with Inktense, and that's why it has all that texture. Okay, so Thursday, August 5th, let's see, I went to Costco and I did that Neo Color 2 review video, and this is what that page is from. And like I said, I learned so much more after that video that I went ahead and painted these 2 vibrant abstract florals, because I was on the theme of that class from this little palette, which was just from sharpening those Neo colors. So yeah, I love them. They're, oh my god, fun, 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 right? Look how vibrant those colors are. They look like acrylics, but they are not. They are the Neo Color 2 water solubles that I went straight from a palette with a brush from the shavings. Okay, Sunday, August 9th, 2020. Still playing with my Inktense. I've decided that the Princeton Neptune brushes are my very favorite, and I own the number 2 round, the number 6 round, the number 8 round, the number 10 round, and the number 4 quill. And I love them. I love them all. They're my favorite brushes. They're my magic wands. Okay, so Monday, August 10th, 2020. I was babysitting. We went boating with the girls. These are the Caran d'Ache Museum Aquarels. Can you believe that those are watercolor pencils? Shocking, right? Yeah, they're number 1. I'm going to get that set. It's very expensive. I'm waiting. My husband, I think, is going to buy it for my birthday. Okay. So, just painting an orchid here. I have to see my pants. Okay, here's my Caran d'Ache Museum Aquarels 12 color set. I must have just got it that day. Ooh, that must have been when I had that posted. It was coming that day. Okay, so this is the 12 color set. And yes, I just want more now. Look how vibrant those colors are. They are lovely. I did a little swatch chart, but that didn't work out so great. Okay, so this again is a Caran d'Ache Museum Aquarels, and they are just so freaking vivid and brilliant, either wet or dry. They're amazing. They are my number 1 pick, even though they are twice as much as the nearest competitor for watercolor markers, pencils. They're the best. They are worth it. Oh my god. If you haven't used them, order a couple of them on Jackson Art and try them out. So the Faber-Castell's Albert Durs were really high rated. I'm really happy with them as well. I got the 36 color set, but I mean, you can just see from this to this. They're not my number 1 pick. The Caran d'Ache Museum Aquarels, even though they're hella expensive, are my number 1 pick. Although I did just order 10 more of these, and I'll have 46, and I'm going to get all in the line that are light fast because I do like them that much. So, August 16th, Sunday. It's been so hot. I'm just, again, still playing with my watercolor pencils. Still playing with my watercolor pencils. Oh my god, I love these things. Monday, August 17th. Still playing with my watercolor pencils. Sorry, this is pretty much the same because that's what I've been doing, the watercolor pencils. So Tuesday, August 18th. It's been so hot, excessive heat warning. I painted this painting for my nephew who is in the Navy. He's in boot camp right now. He's almost done. 2 more weeks, I think. And I'm trying to write him every week and send him a painting, but it gets hard. So I'll show you the painting, but that's a little sketch. And there's the actual painting. What I ended up doing, the first time I sent him the actual painting, but I loved it so much, I redid it for my own. And the second time I took a picture of this and sent him a picture of the painting. And yeah, so that's what. And I think that might be my next Skillshare class because it gives me a good opportunity to walk through for my students from conception to final product, including picking color scheme and palette. Okay, Wednesday, August 19th, I was still going through that color palette that you may or may not have noticed here. But it was very specific, so I was still going with it and playing with it. And then I thought I'd do a kind of a galaxy-like with it. And that's what's going on there. Oh, and I take my little Natalie Murray to her high school orientation. That was great. Okay, Thursday, August 20th. Still hot. Decided for some unknown bizarre reason I was going to start working with complementary colors. So I decided to paint this painting or this day in all phthalo blue and burnt sienna, which is here. So other than the pink of the cheeks, which I don't even know, maybe I didn't use the pink there, I don't know. It's all those 2 colors. So yeah, it came out all right. I don't know why I do things like that, but then I went with it, right? I keep going with it. So Friday, August 21st, I'm going with Hansa Yellow Light, Pigment Yellow 3 with Diox Purple, Pigment Violet 23, and again, did the whole day in that, you know, uglier than hell color combination, but there you go. And then Saturday, August 20th, decided to revisit the blue and orange, but one a little different with the cobalt blue BB36, and it might be cobalt cerulean, and the Hansa Yellow Deep Pigment Yellow 65, and those made a pretty interesting color combination. And then I threw in some cats because, you know, why not, right? And Sophia likes cats, so I was thinking of her that day. And then the last day of this sketchbook was Sunday, August 23rd, and I was just breaking out the Hemi Gouache palette. Just finished a class on Skillshare, and yeah, so I painted, well, this series of classes, really, it was Paint With Me Abstract Florals and Gouache. The first one was the Echinacea, then the roses, and then the daisies, and I'm done. Thank you for watching my sketchbook tour on my all 13 subscribers. I love you all. Thank you so much. It's only taken me, I guess, 11 years to get 13 subscribers. I'm growing my channel organically. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.